Hello students, today we will discuss about mass spectroscopy. In this lecture we discuss about what is the introduction of mass spectroscopy and what is the basic principle involved in the mass spectroscopy. Here we discuss about mass spectroscopy. Mass spectroscopy is useful to determine the molecular weight and molecular formula of the organic compound. It also useful in knowing the structural features of the molecules. We see the introduction. Mass spectroscopy is an analytical technique that measures the mass to charge ratio of charged particles. It is used for determining masses of particles, for determining the elemental composition of a sample or molecule. What is mass spectroscopy? Here we get the spectrum according to the mass to charge ratio. We have to take any organic compound, it will be solid state or liquid state, it will gets to gaseous state, and here according to mass to charge ratio we get the signals. This is mass spectroscopy. What is mass spectrum? Here a mass spectrum is a plot of the relative intensity of ion signal as a function of the mass to charge ratio. We plot the graph between relative abundance and charge to mass ratio. Mass to charge ratio. In this technique, here we have to take the sample. First, this sample is solid or liquid or gaseous state. It will be ionized, and by using bombarding it with electrons which has more energy, this may cause some of the sample's molecules to break into charged fragments. What will happen in this technique? We have to take the sample, whatever it is, it will be gets ionized in the ionization chamber. When this sample is bombarded with the electrons, it gets fragments. We see the one example, that is neopentane. Neopentane, carbon bonded with 4 methyl groups. This is neopentane. When this neopentane subjected to electron bombardment, here we have to use 15 to 20 electron volts energy. Here it will be get fragment, get molecular ion or parent ion. Because of the bombardment we get molecular ion or parent ion. Here the mass to charge ratio 72. These molecular ion or parent ion further fragments at 70 electron volts higher energy. Here 70 electron volts. First, here one of the methyl group will be fragment. We get tertiary carbocation which is C4H9 plus, has the molecular mass to charge 57, relative intensity 100, which has 100 relative intensity. This is a base peak. This is a base peak. After that, here we have to fragment another methyl group from the tertiary carbocation. We get C3H5 plus. Here the mass to charge ratio 41. The relative intensity is 41.5. Another fragmentation of methyl group. Here we get C2H5 plus. We get 29. Mass of C2H5 plus is 29. Relative intensity is 38.5. Another fragment is C2H3 plus. Here we get mass 27. Mass of this fragment ion is 27. The relative intensity is 15.7. These are the M/E values and relative intensities of neopentane after fragmentation. We see the mass spectrum of this neopentane. Here the molecular mass, that is C4H9 plus has M by E value 57. You get 100 relative intensity. This is base peak which has highest relative intensity, that is called base peak. And here we get 41 M by E value, we get relative intensity 41.5. Again 29 we have 38.5. Again 27 we have 15.7. This is the mass spectrum of neopentane. Here molecular ion will fragments to this base peak and some daughter ions. Here these molecular ion we denoted as M plus radical. It is positively charged molecule with unpaired electron. This molecular ion or parent ion we designated as positively charged molecule with an unpaired electron. Now we discuss about basic principle of mass spectroscopy. Here we have to take a molecule. This molecule is bombarded with a beam of electrons in the ionization chamber. The molecule gets ionized. We get radical cation. This radical cation absorbs certain energy, nearly 70 electron volts. Further it gets to fragmentation. We get cations and radicals. This is the molecule. After bombardment we get molecular ion. This molecular ion, further fragmentation we get fragment ions. These fragment ions, okay, this above relation is this is the M by E. Mass spectrum is the spectrum based upon the mass to charge ratio. Here we calculated as h square r square by 2v. This relation is the basis of separation of particles according to their masses. So thank you. Next class we discuss about nitrogen rule. Thank you.